My Lord, I had requested the state to provide the court with the copy of the...
Speak
yes,
up a
thank
bit.
you. I had requested the state to provide the court with the copy of the cell phone records.
Okay, fine.
Yes, there is an affidavit which was drafted by Colonel Stein.
We've marked the exhibit O, my lord. We've also marked exhibit 1. This containing the interview.
Okay. Exhibit O.
Exhibit O as the
Okay,
court
fine.
uses.
Right, I have it.
I've also requested that the court interpreter
The court?
be provided. Mr. Jonas be provided with a copy.
Okay.
Yes, thank you.
So, Mr. Jonas, you have been provided with a copy.
We'll put it up on the...
On the screen. Okay, fine. Okay. We're still on the oath, ma'am.
The witness is indicating that there's a noise outside, you can't hear them.
Where's the court order? Can you take care of the noise outside? Okay, yes, sir.
Ma'am, you told this court in your evidence in chief that the relationship between the deceased and your sister Kelly Khumalos started during the period 2012-2013. You confirm that?
Ushilo-ke kule nkantolo ukuthi ubudlelwane phakathi-ke nomufi kanye-ke nosisi wakho baqala that was 2012-2013. Yes, that's correct.
During that period, that is the period 2012-2013, how was their relationship? That is the relationship between the deceased and your sister.
Ngaleso sikhathi-ke ubudlelwane-ke phakathi kwabo bobabili umufi kanye naye-ke usisi wakho babunjani?
Njengawo wonke ama-relationship kunama-ups kunama-downs kodwa into engiyazi ukuthi babethandana futhi be-happy.
As in all relationships, what I know is that there are ups and downs, but what I can say that what I know is that they were in love and they were happy.
During that period, that relationship was still the Romeo and Juliet relationship that you had referred to in the interview.
Ngaleso sikhathi-ke i-relationship leyo-ke yilena-ke okhulume ngayo kwi-interview ukuthi wabizwa ukuthi Romeo and Juliet.
Ngicela uphinde umbuzo ngizonga kahle.
Can you repeat the question? I didn't hear properly.
During that period, the 2012-2013 period, when they were in a relationship, were they still in a relationship that you referred to as the Romeo and Juliet relationship in the interview that you had with ENCA News?
Ngaleso sikhathi-ke sika 2012-2013 beqala-ke leyo relationship ingaba-ke ileyo relationship ileyo kwakuyile relationship le oyichaze kwi-interview ebesiyibuka-ke izolo ukuthi wababiza uRomeo and Juliet.
Njengoba sengichazile kuma-relationships khona sometimes kuba mnandi sometimes kungabi mnandi kodwa engikwazi ukuthi babethandana.
As I've already mentioned that in the relationships at times it's good and at times it's bad, but what I do know is that it was good and they were in love.
During the period 2013, the year 2013, is it correct that we are using the cell phone model Nokia N8?
The witness.
Yes.
Wasebenzisa iNokia N8 ngaleso sikhathi 2013.
Yebo kunjani?
Yes, that's correct.
The cell phone number of that cell phone, you confirm that it was 074 676 6669.
6669. Uyavuma-ke ukuthi i-cell phone number ngaleso sikhathi kwaku 074 676 6669.
Yebo kunjani?
Yes, that's correct.
Do you confirm that the cell phone number of your sister Kelly Khumalos was 0827044358?
704.
I wonder if perhaps isn't there a better way that we can deal with this aspect so that these matters are not out there in the open. My learned friend has got the affidavit. He can just refer to, without prescribing to him, just refer to a relevant paragraph and say, is that your number that appears there?
Okay.
So that we don't have a problem. the witness number is out there in
Are they still using the same numbers, maybe? Yes.
I'm afraid, my lord, that I'm being channeled. I'm being channeled.
Hello?
I'm being channeled. So I think it's better that I establish from the witness first the numbers, then I go to the affidavit.
Okay. Yeah, go on.
Yes. So before we interrupted, what was your response?
I didn't finish the numbers.
Okay, sorry. You confirmed that the number for your sister was 0827044358.
4358. The number lena ebiziwe ke la evuma ukuthi kwakuyi number esetshenziswa udadweni.
Hey, ekakhela ngisayikhumbuli kahle.
I can't remember Kelly's number well.
Ma'am, there is an affidavit. It is going to be deemed. It is an affidavit that was compiled by Colonel Number Sustain from the South African Police Services in the service of the state, attached to the National Court Case Investigation Unit based in Pretoria Head Office as an analyst and investigation officer. It is going to be deemed for your benefit. But of interest to me, for purposes of this cross-examination, is on page 6.
Bengicela uphakamisa izwi ngoba ubuqamamana angikuzwa kahle amanye amagama ayashona futhi especially uma ubheka phansi.
All right, I'll
Just
do
raise your
that.
voice, please, because especially when you look down at some I can't hear some of the things you say.
Okay, but the interpreter is going to tell me that. The interpreter is going to
No,
interpret
she's got
for-
to hear that
Mina
first
kumele ngizwe.
before the interpreter tells her whatever.
Okay, thank you, madam. Thank you.
Yes.
Yes. Now, I was saying that I'm in possession of the affidavit by Colonel Stein. It is going to be deemed for your benefit.
Futhi ke kunale affidavit ekhona ke yakhe uKenneth Stein izoboniswa ke la ukuthi ibone.
What is of interest to me for purposes of this cross-examination is on page 6 of the affidavit. For purposes of this cross-examination, I'm going to refer you to SMSs. Maybe I should start here. It says, just at the top of the page, SMSs received by Zandi, Nokia N8, open bracket, RM-596, close bracket, Zandi Khumalos.
Lana ke sokhuluma kubhalwe la ama SMS atholwa uZandi Nokia N8 RM596.
Do you have a spare copy to give to the witness?
Yes. I had
Mr.
requested
Valoy.
the state, my lord, to provide the extra copies.
Hello?
we had 2 spare copies, but we can't find. We'll provide it to the witness.
No, she must extemporaneously see
Yes.
the quoted SMS. It's better that way.
Yes. Maybe if we can just.
Okay, use the quotes. I haven't marked
Well,
it.
can I lend the witness mine?
Yeah, okay, thanks.
It's at page 6, no? At page 6.
Yes, on page 6, sent by Kelly Khumalos, 0822704438.
Yeah, man. Yes, I see that.
Yes. You see where I am, ma'am?
Ngizama ukubheka.
I'm trying to see, to look.
Where it says SMS received by Zandi Khumalos. That is
Yes.
where I'm
Yeah,
going
but-
to start.
Yes, I see it.
So I'll go through each or the content of each SMS and invite you to respond where necessary.
Ngizofunda ke lama SMS onke ke ngicele ke la kunesidingo khona ke ukuthi uphawuleke.
It says, or the content says, tell from 278 to 704 4358. The
Yeah,
text, Senzo's mom is talking to every radio station in Durban, telling how it will be my fault if she dies of heart attack. Question mark. Can you believe it? Question mark. This woman. Question mark. It was sent time 2013 10/11 at 9:43:59 a.m. The status read storage device type incoming folder inbox.
Lana ke ngalendlela ebhalwe ngayo ke i-text Senzo's man
Mama.
Which ngifuna ngalendlela ebhalwe ngayo. Khuluma nayo yonke ke i-radio station yase Durban echaza ke ukuthi how it would be now. Okay, ukuthi kuzoba kungenxa yami ke uma ngenzeka ukuthi angashona ngenxa ye heart attack noma inhliziyo uyakholelwa lo mfazi noma lo muntu wesifazane isikhathi 2013 10/11 9:43 ekseni uma iyachaza ke ukuthi ifundiwe imessage incoming inbox.
Can you please tell this court what was happening when Kelly Khumalos sent you that SMS?
Ungayichazela ke lenkantolo ukuthi kwakwenzekani ngenkathi uKelly Khumalos eksendela lo mkhafazi.
Noma ngasakhumbuli kahle kodwa engikwazi ukuthi osisi bayakhuluma omunye makukhona into emhleli kabi uyamtshela omunye.
Although I can't remember well, but what I do know is that sisters do talk. When something is bothering the other, she would tell the other.
Did you respond to this SMS?
Ingabe waphendula yini kulo mkhafazi?
Angisakhumbuli kahle.
I can't remember well.
Okay. Let us move on to the next one. The text, I regret everything. I wish I didn't allow Senzo into my life. Look at all the mess it has gotten us into. It's all his lies now affecting all of us.
Ngiyasola ke ngayo yonke into ukuthi ngamvumela ke uSenzo empilweni yami. Bheka ke manje yonke ke lenqoshunqosho isifake kuyona amanga akhe onke bheka ke nathi ke manje aseyasichaphazela achaphazela thina sonke.
What was happening when that SMS was sent?
Nkathi kuthunyelwa lena ke SMS kwakwenzekani?
Anginaso isiqiniseko salokho.
I have no certainty of that.
Why did, sorry, let me rephrase the question. What mess was Kelly referring to?
Yini ke lenqoshunqosho noma le mess uKelly ayekhuluma ngayo?
Ekubukeni kwami uSenzo wayengenalo iqiniso wayenokuya nenenini unomandisa nenenini unoKelly mayifika kuKelly ukhuluma okunye mayifika kumandisa ukhuluma okunye, so I think yona into ayikhuluma ngayo.
According to how I saw it, Senzo wasn't honest. At times he would be with Mandisa, times he would be with Kelly. When he's with Kelly, he would say this. When he is with Mandisa, he would say this. I think that is what she was referring to.
I'm not going to go through the whole SMSs, but let us turn to page 10 of the affidavit.
Angeke ngiye kuona onke ke ama SMS kodwa sibheke nje page 10.
I'll read. I'll read the one in the middle of the page. I'm emotionally drained. I sometimes feel that Senzo brought a dark cloud in my life. And I can almost hate myself for not succeeding in getting rid of him via SMSs, and the SMS would not go. I feel like God is deliberately sabotaging me by keeping this man in my life.
Lana ke ithi ngokwasemphefumulweni noma ngokwasemoyeni ke noma ke ngitrainekile futhi ke ngesinye nje isikhathi ngifila nje ngongathi ke noma ngizizwa ngongathi uSenzo waletha nje ifu elimnyama empilweni yami. Futhi ke ngathi nje ngingayizonda ngokuthi ke ngingazange ngiphumelele ngokuthi ke ngikwazi nje ukuthi ngihlukaneke naye nge-SMS. Futhi ke ama SMS engahambi noma SMS engahambi sengifila ngongathi ke uNkulunkulu uyangisabotaja ke ngenhloso noma ngamabomu ke ngokuthi agcine le ndoda empilweni yami.
What was happening there? When that SMS was sent to you?
La ngathi ithunyelwa lena SMS.
Njengoba sengishilo ukuthi angazi ukuthi ezinye izinto angizazi ukuthi zazenzeka nini kanjani, but engikwazi ukuthi kwakuyi back and forth phakathi kwabo bobathathu, and uKheli wayemthanda okwangempela uSenzo, noSenzo futhi wayemthanda uKheli ngokubona kwami.
As I've already said that I don't know as to when and how certain things were happening, but it was a back and forth between the three of them, and Kelly loved Senzo and Senzo loved Kelly according to how or what I saw.
Futhi kwakungamphathi kahle uKheli ukuthi uSenzo akakwazi ukukhetha noma akanali iqinisela nathi.
And it wasn't sitting well with Kelly that Senzo wasn't in a position to choose, or that he didn't have enough honesty.
From the reading of the content of this SMS, clearly suggests that she did not love him anymore.
How can you say that? How can you say that?
I withdraw that. I withdraw that.
As a court, please, my lord, we don't want to prescribe to my learned friend how to conduct his cross-examination, but if the dates can also be put on record so that these SMSs are contextualized.
Okay. Yeah, but he's putting at least the pages on record, and he says, this one, for instance, it's in the middle of the page. Okay.
But you know, this
Yeah, I hear you.
This is sent on the 31st of December 2030.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, fine.
All
Okay.
right. Yes, it
Time
was.
and the date.
Oh,
Okay.
yes. It was sent on the 31st of December 2013 at 11:24:31 a.m.
Right.
Yes.
Nanje ke idate 31 zika December ngo 2013, 24 minutes emva kwa 11 ekuseni.
It would suggest from the content that the relationship was sour.
Lana ungifunda ke lana kuyachazela ke ukuthi izinto alingahambi kahle ke ngahambi kahle kwi relationship.
Njengoba sengichazile, bekunamalanga amnandi kunamalanga amabi njengayo yonke relationship ekhona emhlabeni.
As I've already mentioned that there were good days and bad days, like in any other relationship in the world.
Let us now turn to page 11, the last SMS. It was sent on 2013-12-31, that is December 2031 at 11:41 minutes 16 seconds a.m. It reads as follows: all I can do is hope and pray that each day I'm getting closer to my day of being free from him.
Lana ke kulena SMS yange 31 zika December 2013, 11:41 isikhathi nama seconds awu 16. Uthi ke phela nje engakwenza ukuthemba nokuthandaza ukuthi ilanga nelanga ngiyasondela ke ekuthini ngikhululeke kuyena.
What did you understand by this
Wena
content
ke
of this SMS?
wawuzwa noma yini wawuyizwa noma uyi-understanda kule SMS?
Ngokwazi kwami udadewethu mayithanda umuntu umthanda loudly futhi ngakho konke anakho.
According to my knowledge and what I know is that when my sister loves someone, loves that person, she would love loudly and with everything she has.
Futhi ke ngendlela uSenze bengenali iqiniso ngakhona ubeza ngitshele namathi yazi inhliziyo yami ibhlungu kodwa sengifile ngathi manje sengigadedina ngiyeke.
And the manner in which Senzo was so dishonest, she would tell me, or she would go as far as telling me that my heart is now so broken, but I just feel that I can just let go.
But at the same time, ngiyamthanda.
But at the same time, I love him.
What did you understand by this last part of the SMS, which reads, being free from him?
Lena eyogcina ke ethi ngibe ngikhululeke kuyena yini oyiunderstandayo noma oyiunderstanda ngayo.
Ukudedela uthando analo for yena.
To release or to let go of the love she had for him.
Will be to end the relationship, in a sense.
Ukuphelisa i-relationship.
Lokho angeke ngikwazi ukuchaza.
That I wouldn't be able to explain.
May the court bear with me, my lord. I'm just going to a certain portion now. Let us now go to page 84 of the affidavit, Exhibit O. Do you confirm that Longwe Twala's number was 060-804-0436?
Oh, okay. This is the 060.
Yes.
Okay. Yovuma ukuthi number kalonga kuyilena lo 060-804-0436.
Nalapha nginaso isiqiniseko ngoba sekuyisikhathi izinamba ziyaphuma emqondweni, especially inamba uyikhemanga ngalo ndlela.
Also there, I don't have any certainty you get to lose the numbers from your memory, especially if the number is not specifically stored.
Noma futhi mawungasazwani nalowo muntu ungasajoli.
And also if you are no longer in good terms with that person and you are no longer in a love relationship.
May the court bear with me. Colonel Stein also downloaded the SMSs between your number, the number that you confirmed, and the number which belonged to Longwe Twana. That is the 060-804-0436 number.
Colonel Stein ke wadownloada ke nama SMS phakathi kwakho ke phakathi kwakho noma inamba lena oshila ukuthi kwakuyinamba oyisebenzisa kanye nale number ke kalongwe 060-804-0436.
My lord, there's a separate affidavit of Colonel Stein where he does the downloads of the SMSs between the witness and Longwe Twana. I'll ask with the leave of the court that the first affidavit of Colonel Stein be Exhibit 01.
Yes. Yeah.
There is another affidavit, my lord, as I've alluded to.
Okay.
May I request that with the leave of the court that affidavit be handed in and be marked Exhibit 02 of the record.
Okay. Yes.
May it be deemed for... Okay. Let us turn to page 3 of the affidavit. That is Exhibit 02 of the record.
But can we just get an indication of the dates of the... We've marked 01, the SMSs between the witness and Longwe. It's an affidavit. By Stein, dated 18 July 2023. Can we just get an indication of 02, which affidavit is being referred to?
Yes, sir.
Yes, thank you, my lord. I'm referring to the same affidavit that was provided to us by the state. The one with SMSs between Longwe Twala and the witness. My colleague, the other one is thicker than the other, so it will be easy for you to understand where I am. It looks like there's a confusion.
Yeah, but you're referring to which page on the...
The second one.
02.
02.
Which page?
Yes, I'm referring to page 3 of the affidavit.
Page 3.
Yes, page 3.
Okay.
Yes. The affidavit reads as follows. The investigation officer requested the following. Bullet point 4, SMSs between Zandile Khumalo and Longwe Twala as per cell phone downloads.
Lana uthi ke naku okwacelwa ke umphenyi wecala ama SMS ke phakathi kwaZandile Khumalo kanye noLongwe Twala ngokwama downloads cell phone.
Yes, but before I go to the affidavit, Exhibit 02, I just have a few questions to you, right? Can you tell this court, before you met Longwe in the afternoon of the 26th of October 2014, when last had you met him?
Ngaphambi kokuthi singene kuyona ke le affidavit lena nemibuzo nje embalwa ke ngaphambilini kokuthi uhlangane naye ke ngaleli langa ke langa 26 ngithi ngeafternoon yalelo langa langa 26 October 2014 wagcina nini ngaphambi kwalelo langa lelo ukumbona?
Ngangimgcine ngayizolo.
The previous day.
Where had you met him?
Kuphi nendawo?
Endlini kwaKelly Malberton.
At Kelly's house in Malberton.
On this day, that is a Sunday, the 26th of October 2014, did you communicate with him, that is Longwe Twala?
Ngaleli langa ke leli sonto leli langa 26 October 2014 ingaba wa communicate noma wakhuluma yini naye?
Yebo kunjalo ngakhuluma naye kodwa kwesinye isikhathi ngoba bengiyibhizi ngisebenza ngalolu langa benginokungabambi ifoni ngoba mhlawumbe ngise stage noma angizwa.
Yes, I communicated with him on that day, but at times because I was busy, I would not answer the phone because I was working, I would maybe be on stage or didn't hear the phone.
How did you communicate with him? Was it over the phone or through SMSs that you send to him, vice versa, him sending SMSs to you?
Nanixoxa ngama SMS noma nanifonelana ama calls.
Kokubili, sometimes uyafona, sometimes uya SMS, and sometimes ngiyafona, sometimes ngiya SMS, so angazi ukuthi urefera kuyona yiphi.
Both. At times he would call or at times he would SMS. At times I would also call and I would also SMS. So I don't know which are you specifically referring to.
I'm referring to Sunday, the 26th of October 2014. I'm specific now on that day, before he arrived.
Ngikhuluma ngaleli langa esonto ke langa 26 October 2014 ngaphambi kokuthi afike.
Kokubili.
Both.
You also told this court in your evidence in chief that he arrived in the afternoon of the 26th of October 2014. It could have been between 1800 hours and 1800 hours 30. Do you confirm that?
Ushilo-ke ukuthi ngalela langa-ke wafika-ke mini phakathi kuka-6 no 6:30.
nakhona ngishilo futhi earlier on ukuthi anginaso isiqiniseko sesikhathi but ngase ngangi-estimator ngenxa yokuthi mhlawumbe ngabuka ilanga nangesikhathi engaphuma ngaso ngiyomlanda ngaphandle.
Also there I did say that it was just an estimate on my part because I looked at the sun and I also looked at the time at which I went out to go and fetch him outside.
Was the sun already set or it was about to?
Ingabe laliselishonile ilanga noma laliselizo?
Laselizoshona ngoba kwakusakhanya sasabonana ngaphandle kwama-street lights ukuthi abe on.
It was about to because we were able to see each other without the street lights being on.
So, with the assistance of the sun, you were able to estimate that it could have been between 1800 hours and 1800 hours 30. You confirm that?
Ngokubheka-ke noma ngokubuka-ke ilanga lokho ke kwakwenza ukuthi uqageleke ukuthi kwaphakathi kuka-6 no 6:30.
Yebo kunjani?
Yes, that's correct.
Was it an arrangement that he was going to come at your place or it was a coincidence for him to be there? Did you make arrangements? Did you invite him over? Did he tell you that he was going to come? What was the position?
Ingabe kwakuyisivumelwano yini into eyayihleliwe yini ukuthi uzofika noma ke yinto nje eyenzeka?
Ekuseni sasingahlelile yebo kodwa sathi mase silapha sesikhuluma mina naye ngamtshela ukuthi ngisekhaya kunokheli unabangani basenzo noma sizodla lunch ungeza nawe so into esasikhuluma ngama SMS leyo so kusho ukuthi sahlela.
In the morning it wasn't arranged or it wasn't planned but as I was now there and we were communicating, so I told him that we are at home. It's myself, it's Kelly, Senzo's friend, my mother. We are about to have a lunch, so you can also come. So it's something that we then arranged at that time.
Can you also tell the court, just remind me, at what time did the two intruders arrive?
Laba babili abangena bona endlini angikhumbuze ukuthi bangena ngesiphi isikhathi laba bawu2 abangena endlini.
Ngathi mase kuyoshayo 8 angazi noma ngale ka8 noma ngo8 kodwa kwakungalapho.
Around 8. I don't know whether it's before 8 or after 8 but around there.
Did you not say that it was or it could have been between 1900 hours 30 to 2000 hours when the two intruders arrived? Did you not say that in your evidence in chief?
Kwakuphakathi kuka 7:30 late noma ke ntambama between 7:30 kanye no 8 ntambama. No.
Ne statement sambi siyasho ukuthi sikhomba u20.
Even my statement indicates
2000
says or indicates that 2000.
When Longwe, sorry, was it the first time for him to visit you at your home? That is Longwe Tshwana.
Ngaba wayiqala yini ukuthi akuvakashele kini?
Ngaye ngamtshontsha ngamlethe ekhaya uma engekho.
I once I'm going to use the term that the witness used my lot. I once stole him and brought him home when my mother wasn't there.
When he arrived on that day, was he alone?
That is
On the 26th.
Okay. Oh, gate 26 uma efika wayeyedwa.
Yebo wayeyedwa.
Yes, he was alone.
So, if one had to safely estimate, let us say he arrives at about 1800 hours in the afternoon of the 26th of October 2014, and the robbers or the intruders arrive around, say, 2000 hours. So it means he had spent 2 hours at your place before the intruders arrived.
Asithi ke wafika ngaleso sikhathi leso ke phakathi kuka 6 no 6:30 ntambama kwase kuthi ke ngo 2000 ngo 8 between 8 no 8:30 lowo kwafika ke laba babili abangena kusho ukuthi wahlala u2 hours ngaphambi kokuthi laba bawu2 bafike.
Njengoba sengishilo ukuthi isiqiniseko sesikhathi anginaso ngempela.
As I've already said that I don't have a certainty with regards to the time.
But my calculations, ma'am, is going along your estimation. It's not something from me. It's something that you told the court. So I'm basing my estimation on what you told the court.
Lokho ke engikushoyo ke noma uqaqe noma lokho ngikubalayo mangibala ke ngikubala ngokwa lokho wena okushilo enkantolo.
Uyasho nawe ukuthi ukubala wena mina ngibalanga.
As you say that you are the one who's doing the calculations, I didn't calculate.
You can also calculate.
Bengichazile ngathi ngiyayizonda imaths.
I've already mentioned that I hate maths.
So I'm telling you that he must have spent about 2 hours, more or less 2 hours before the intruders arrived. I'm putting it to you. I've calculated for you.
Ngiyakutshela ke ngikubalele ukuthi ke uspende amahora amabili ngaphambi kokuthi laba babili abafika laba bangena endlini bafike.
Nalapho kusho wena kusho mina.
That's what you say, I'm not saying. Time is telling us.
Isikhathi siyasitshela.
The calculation of time.
But then, I think this issue has been exhausted. The witnesses said repeatedly it's just an estimate. If perhaps counsel can maybe leave it at
2 hours, 2.5 hours, according to your assumption. It's okay. She says she didn't calculate the time. You are suggesting that the intruders could have come between 2 hours to 2:30.
No, the time spent by Longwe, my lord, before the intruders arrived.
The intruders came when?
Between, he says, before 2000 hours or after that.
Yeah, she estimates that.
Yes. So I'm saying my calculation is based on 1800 hours when Longwe arrived and the time when the intruders arrived. It could have been more or less 2 hours that Longwe.
Fine.
The time that Longwe spent.
Fine.
So it's fine, let us not labor on this. Ma'am, let us now go to page 46 of Exhibit 02. That is on the last column. At the bottom. This is an SMS that you received from the number that belonged to Longwe, the number that I've referred to your number. It was on the 26th of October 2014 at 400 hours, 57 minutes, 36 seconds p.m. The SMS reads as follows: I'm outside.
Kunale SMS ke owayithola ke May 26 zika October 2014 isikhathi imizuzu e3 ngaphambi ko5 ekseni 36 seconds ithi ke SMS ngiphandle.
Maybe then to simplify for you the crux of my question to you is, according to this SMS, as you earlier told this court that you will interact via phones or SMSs, the SMS that you received on your number from that of Longwe, it was on the 26th of October 2014 at 400 hours, 57 minutes, 36 seconds, telling you that he was outside.
Lana ke engikushoyo kokuwena ukuthi ile SMS ke owayithola nge26 ka October 2014 ngo 4:57 36 seconds ekutshela kuLongwe ukuthi ngingaphandle.
No, this I'm blind.
Yes.
Which? I'm picking up the same point.
Yes, as a court, please, my lord, we now move into a very technical field. It's only Colonel Steyn who can explain the times. Without testifying from the bar, there's a way they determine the time. They add 2 hours to the time that's shown here. So,
sorry, I'm sorry to disturb you. Your train of thought. Sir, are you referring to page 46?
Page 46, my lord.
Exhibit 02.
02, yes.
And you're referring to the time as what?
it's 4:57.
4:57.
Yes.
36 seconds.
4:57 and 36 seconds.
I think, my lord, the court was addressing me. Now we are both of us
Fine, okay.
understand.
But what is the date according to this affidavit?
Is the 26? Unfortunately, the 6 is not visible there, but is the 26.
Sorry, I don't know. Those, just say counsel must show with his pen, show you which time is referring to, because
Yes.
I don't seem to find that.
It's the last block here, man. What? This
Page?
page 46. This very last block.
Yeah, let's see counsel.
My lord, if one looks, I'm sorry.
Thanks. Okay, yeah.
If one looks on page 44 of the same exhibit,
No. Page 46 or page 44?
no, the objection that I'm raising,
Yeah.
I'm just taking the court to page 44.
To page 44, right?
Yes. There's an asterisk there. It says download summary,
That's it, yeah.
and it says remember plus 2 hours. So in other ways, they're saying you must add 2 hours to the time that is being shown here. Hence I'm saying, my lord, we're moving into a very technical field, and it's only Colonel Steyn who can come and explain this, my lord.
So Colonel Steyn actually
Yes, we should not bind
gives you the key
this. Yes, we
as to what you should do.
indeed, my lord. We
Are you
shouldn't
saying then,
bind.
wait, are you saying then on the markings by counsel here,
Yes, one should actually add 2 hours.
add 2 hours,
Yes.
which meaning that the 6 hours and 4 minutes and 57.36
No.
seconds.
No, the 4:57.
Yeah,
If one adds 2 hours,
right.
will then be 6:57.
Are we agreed on that concept? If we add 2 hours.
Hence, I'm saying, my lord,
Yeah, no, fine.
we
But
should bind this witness to this time.
yeah, fine. I hear you. Yeah. What's your thought? Because he says, Colonel Steyn says, from this estimated times, you must add 2 hours.
At
Do you
2
agree with
hours. I don't understand by the adding of 2 hours.
Just explain to your colleagues.
My lord, there's a technical way in which the SMSs,
Downloading.
the SMSs and the times reflected are interpreted, and he'll come and testify, my lord, that you, as is mentioned on page 44, that you actually have to add 2 hours.
Okay, fine. You can continue, sir. Are you going to call Colonel Steyn?
Indeed, my lord.
Yeah, fine. He's going to be called.
We did say so in our opening.
That's it. Okay, fine.
But, my lord, should I repeat the question?
Yeah, you can repeat it.
So, just to sum up, ma'am, the entry there says on the 26th, let me just read it verbatim. 2014/10/26, 04:57:36 p.m. You receive an SMS from Longwe Twala telling you that he was outside. You understand?
Lana ke ngalesi sikhathi nge-26 ka-October 2014 u-4:57 nama seconds awu-36 uthola ke le SMS ebuya kuLongwe ekutshela ukuthi ke ungaphandle.
Yebo i-SMS yafika wathi ungaphandle.
Yes, I received the SMS where he said that he was outside.
But what I want you to be clued up about is that it says that when you received that SMS, it was at 4 hours, 57 minutes, 36 seconds PM.
My Lord, we have just raised the objection. Are we really going to again belabor this point?
Okay, let the witness comment on that. Fine. Colonel Stein, as the expert, will perhaps have the final say.
Uthi ke akona ke akhomba kona ke ummeli ukuthi isikhathi ke wayithola ngaso le SMS ukuthi ke kwaku 3 minutes phambi ko 5 36 seconds emini.
Nakhona
Yeah.
into
Yes, sorry.
into engayisho ukuthi yebo i-SMS yafika, into engekho sho ngayo ukuthi isikhathi sasithini.
What I can confirm is that yes, I received the SMS, but what I cannot be certain about is what the time was.
Yikho ngenza umzekelo ukuthi ilanga lona laseliyoshona kodwa la ingakasho nisasabonana.
Hence, I made the example that the sun was about to set, but it hadn't set yet, and we were still able to see each other.
Okay.
I put it to you that the time that he arrived is the time that he sent you an SMS is the time that is reflected there.
As a practice, my Lord, we object to that. And we said ad nauseam. This is the issue that only Colonel Stein can resolve. The witness doesn't have to respond to that.
Yeah, the witness has already explained, counsel, that they could see each other, but she knows that it was towards sunset.
Yes.
But what are you getting at with this? Because I thought there's no dispute about the fact that Longwe
Yes.
did in fact arrive there. She says she invited him for supper or lunch, whatever.
Yes,
And he came there.
yes, I'll leave it for argument later.
Yeah.
Yes, thank you.
So you are trying to establish what?
The time that he had spent before the robbers arrived.
Yeah,
Ye-
put it to her, and then
Yes.
Stein can come and tell us
Yes,
the exact time according
yes.
to his expertise.
Yes, yes. Taking into account what Stein is saying in this affidavit, I put it to you that Longwe had spent about 3 hours before the two intruders arrived. I'm basing that on the fact that you yourself told this court that the intruders arrived before, after 2800 hours in the evening of the 26th of October 2014.
As a court, please, my Lord, we object that submission will be misleading to the witness, and we are of the view that it's an unfair question.
Okay. Through the courts then, so I don't have to interject at this stage. What time did Longwe spend with your family on the 26th of October before the intruders arrived or got into the house?
Kwaba isikhathi esingakanani ke uLongwe awasichitha ke nomndeni wakho ngaphambilini kokuthi laba abawu2 ke abangenelela ke bafike bona.
Njengoba sengishilo ukuthi isikhathi sikalonge sokufika angisibhekanga. Kodwa engikwazi ukuthi ama-intruders afika makuya ko-8 kuya ko-8.
As I've already said that the time of Longwe's arrival I didn't take note of, but what I do know is that the intruders arrived around 8:08.
Okay, yes, counsel.
Yes. Can you describe Longwe for us? I don't know him. How was his height? Can you describe Mr. Twala, Longwe Twala,
Angimazi mina
with regards to
uLongwe
his height?
awumchazeke thina ke i-height yakhe.
Engakusho ukuthi mude kunani mhlambe ngahle ukuthi i-average height.
What I can say is that he's taller than me. I can say he's got an average height.
What is your height?
Eyakho ithini?
Angikaze ngiyimede.
I've never measured myself.
How was his body build?
Ukwakheka komzimba ke waye kanjani?
Defined.
Defined.
Sorry?
Defined kusho ukuthi akanali ifuthe emzimbeni.
It means that he doesn't have a fat on his body.
Unamamasilana nje.
He's got some little muscle.
So we'll say he's medium build.
Singathi nje uphakathi nendawo.
Kanjalo.
Something like that.
What is his complexion?
I-complexion yakhe
Brown.
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 In other words, akamnyama, akamhlophe futhi.
In other words, he's neither dark nor light.
Did he wear hats at the time that you knew him?
Eh,
Did he wear hats?
ngenkathi-ke wazana naye ngabe igqoko ebeyithwala yini.
Thanda amakepisi.
He liked caps.
Nothing else but amakepisi isikhathi esiningi bese kubhekisa ngemuva.
Nothing else but caps and most of the time, and his cap would be turned backwards or facing backwards.
Did he wear a hairstyle?
Wayene hairstyle awayenayo?
Cha, unempandla.
No, he's got a bald head.
Shave head?
Uyayigunda.
Unempandla yikho egunda nasi la emaceleni kusale sekuba impandla yonke.
He would cut on the sides, but his head is just got a bald head.
Do you remember what he was wearing on that day, the 26th of October 2014?
Ingabe usakhumbula yini ukuthi ngaleliya langa ke lange 26 ka-October 2014 wayegqokeni?
Cha, angisakhumbuli ngoba kwakungabalulekile.
No, I can't remember because it wasn't important.
At the time that you had known him, did he at some point had dreadlocks?
Ngalesikhathi umazi ngaso ngabe sikhona yini isikhathi enama dreadlocks khona?
Cha.
No.
Can you describe his face?
Ungachaza ubuso bakhe?
Unama facial hairs.
He's got facial hairs.
Sometimes unokuwagunda depending ukuthi uzizwa kanjani ngaleso sikhathi.
Sometimes he would shave them depending on how he would feel at that time.
Unama dimples.
He's got dimples.
Unamashiya nje futhi agcwele.
And he's got full eyebrows.
And then nama eyelashes athanda ukuba maningi futhi made.
And he's also got eyelashes that tend to be a lot or more, and they are long.
How about his eyes?
Amehlo akhe
Unamehlo adonsekile kancane lakathi awe China kodwa ayikakhulu.
his eyes are a little bit pulled. They would look like a China's eyes, but not much.
Did he have a beard?
Wayenayo ke intshebe.
Njengoba sengichazile ukuthi unayo unama facial hairs kodwa unokuwagunda depending ukuthi uzizwa kanjani.
As I've already mentioned that he had facial hairs, and he would shave them depending on how he feels or he would feel at the time.
But before he could shave them, would they go to his chin and the upper lip? Would they go around?
Kodwa ke ngaphambi kokuthi awagundeke ingabe mhlambi ebekekeleze ngalendlela ukuchaze ngayo ngaphambili mhlambi ukuthi ke aze afike la esilevini futhi ke akekeleze umlomo.
Cha.
No.
Ngiyazi nje ukuthi ubethanda ukushiya le ngaphansi.
All I know is that he would only leave the part on his chin.
Is it correct that, or before that, we'll now move to another aspect of my cross-examination. Is it correct that you made 3 statements, sworn statements, to the police about this incident?
Ngabe kuyiqiniso yini ukuthi unezitatimende ezintathu owazenza emaphoyiseni mayelana nalodaba?
Angisakhumbula ukuthi zingakhi itatimende kodwa engikhumbulayo ziwu2.
I can't remember as to how many statements I made, but those that I can remember are 2.
The State Council had provided us with 3 sworn statements by yourself.
Umshushisi-ke usinike thina-ke uma ngithi usinike ukhuluma ngaye bona-ke abameli iy'tatimende ey'ntathu zakho ey'fungelwe.
The first one is dated the 27th of October 2014 at 1400 hours.
Esokuqala esangeyi-27 zika-October 2014 isikhathi ngo-2.
The second one is dated the 6th of November 2014 at 1300 hours.
Esesibili-ke esangeyi-6 zika-November ngo-2014 isikhathi ngo-1.
And the third and last one is dated 2018 0210 at 2000 hours 18 minutes.
So the
That's
2018 02
10 at 2000 hours 18 minutes.
20. Esesithathu-ke nesogcina isona-ke sangeyi-2018 0210 isikhathi-ke ngoyimizuzu ewu-18 emva ko-8 ntambama.
Ngenzeka ukuthi kunjalo kodwa engikhumbulayo mina zo-2.
That's possible, but I can only remember 2.
The ones that you remember, when were they made? You
Lazy
remember
is
when
it-
were they made?
Oh, sorry.
Council, let's have progress. She's telling you that she remembers 2.
Yes.
She doesn't deny that she could have made a third one.
Yes,
And you've already finished her with the dates.
yes. No, thank you, thank you,
Where are we getting to with it?
thank you. I'll go through the first statement. The one which was made on the 27th of October 2014 at 1400 hours. It should have been the following day of the incident.
Ngizoya-ke kulesi owasenza-ke ngeyi-27 zika-October 2014 ukusho ukuthi ngelanga elilandelayo.
My Lord, sorry, I see it's 1300 hours. I think it's
Oh, that's
convenient
okay.
that you take a long adjournment.
Okay, should we adjourn until what time?
2, my lord.
Okay, can we adjourn until 2?
Amen.